Hello, chefs. Are you ready to get started making bao? Yes! So first step is part of what we call mise en place. And mise en place is putting everything in place, all the steps that take to building our bao. I hope you were saying that at home. Now let me hear, bao. Yes. So the first step is hydrating the veggies that we sent in your box. So I want you to get into that beautiful box, find the envelope that says Filling Fun. And what you have there is some dehydrated veggies, some shiitake mushrooms. You also need 1 cup of hot water. So go ahead and warm up 1 cup of hot water. And I've already been doing that. And we can rip this up, put it all into your bowl. Those are compostable, don't forget. I'm gonna put them back in the box and I'll compost after. And then I have my kettle of hot water. It's already pre-measured for me, but for you is 1 cup of hot water, okay? There we go. And so simple. There we go, we're gonna add that up. So it's gonna be pretty important that it stays warm, okay? And that it just sits there. I have just a little saucer, a little cup, and I'm gonna cover it up and let this rest and do its work. All right, that's your turn.